Hi guys, so this is our fourth tutorial with iDesign. I will just repeat it again. All this model by or concepts made by architect Tusai, all the links related to him, I will leave them in the description. So today I will be building this mask, let's say, but now or today I will be using a mask instead of generic models as I did before, I mean in the previous tutorial. So for that I will just go to Revit and open a new architectural template. I think it will work well with us. So first of all, directly I will change the unit to centimeter. So UN is the shortcut. And now I will just analyze my mass, let's say, in somehow. So I will just consider that this is as 5 meters approximately, and each one is 1.5, and then another 5. So I will be approximately total 13 or 14. So it's up to you. And the height of it, if I just consider this like person is 2, let's say it's not like 1.8, let's say it's 2, so approximately it will be like 2 4 6, approximately 10 or 12, so I will be making it maybe approximately 12. So for that I will just put a reference plane, just I will use RB as the shortcut. This is the first one, and pick another 500. So I'm starting from the left side, which is here. So this is the first one, this is the second one. I will have 1.5, which is 150. I will have two of them, and then the last one will be 500. So just in order to help me out while I'm drawing, this is the first one. This is, sorry, okay, let's just bring it here. So this is the elevation of the building. I can see there is a bit extended, like it's a bit like it's going inside. It's okay, I will consider it as maybe 1 meter. CS is create similar, so 100, sorry, and bring it just until here, just to remember that it's only from here. So I consider this one as 1 meter. So it's okay, we can just even put it into, I mean, inside while we are drawing. So the first thing is I will be using, as I said, is a mask. I will go to massing on site and then just turn it on. In place mass, yes, just call it 1, and then just draw a simple rectangle like this. So let's say it's approximately, just select this one, and I will just put maybe 700, or let me see if how it will be. It's approximately, let me just put it maybe 800 for now. Just select all of it, and then MV just to move it into this point, and then go to 3D just to see it, select it, and create form. Just SD for the shaded one, select this face and just drag it up. Let me see, it will be approximately, as I said, I will consider it maybe 1200, or let me just see how it will be if I just made it as 10, which is 10 meters. Okay, now I will be using the second one, which is another rectangle, and I will, so it will be going, or the extension will be into outside. So I will draw another rectangle from this point, let's say, and then put it until this point, until the end of it. So let me just put DI from this point to here, and then select, while I'm selecting it, I'm just clicking tab, and then just put this one as 100. Say okay, delete this one, we don't need it, and then go to 3D, just to bring it, select it, and then say create mask. I will also drag it, and I will say it's 1100. I think it's okay, let me see. Nope, I will just make it 1200 or 1150. And now what I'm gonna do is just selecting all of it and then create surface. So I will create the surface in all of it, and then I will just put as fixed number, or maybe we could select it as something else. Maybe I will put it as rectangular one, and then just say it will be 5, and then 5, and then it will be something like this. Let me just select this surface and maybe put it as maybe less than 5, which is the U1. Let me just see if I just put this one as 2. No, the second one, so I will put this one as 5, And this one, if I just put as 1, I think it's okay. But let me see. I think it's okay. Let me just choose the second one also. So we will put this one as 2. Okay. Let me see. If I just put it as 1, it will be like that. Also, like, let me just use MA for match properties. It didn't work. It's okay, no problem. We're gonna use the same thing as 1. It's okay for that one. But let me just even select it, and then if I just put no button, it's okay. So actually, I like the way how it looks like now. Let me just see if I could select something like this, and maybe we could make, because now I will have to make something else, which is the family, which I will put it here. Let me just use another thing. Let me just Control Z. Let me just go and finish mass, and then go to mass on site, and then curtain system. Let me just choose this one, this one, this one, this one, and come on. Okay, we only have the last one, which is okay. I will say create form or create system. No, yeah, it's better now, because I will not need even to create a system, or sorry, a family, to put it there. So I will just go, and I think it's okay. Let me just go to realistic one to see how it will be. Yep, I think it's okay. SD again. So I will go back again to my picture, so I can see, oh, I have to raise it up a bit. So let me just go, and then just enter into it. Select this surface and move it up. Sorry, we just select an edge. Now I select the face itself. I will just move it maybe until here, and say finish one. Select the curtain system, and then just say update to face, and directly he will make it. Now I will go to level 1. So we made 2 things. I will go maybe to level 2. I could see it. Yeah, it's okay. If I couldn't see it, if I cannot see it in my level 1, so I will go to VR, which is the view range, and I can just the cut plane. Let me just put it as 200. Say apply, and okay. So maybe let me just see if I go to one of the elevations, and dimension from this point to this point, so it's more than 200. So I will go VR again, and then just put it at 230. It's okay. Apply. Now I can see it. For the last one, or sorry, the one before, I will create another one. Let me just say edit, and then create another rectangle like that, or just zoom in a bit. Okay, from this point, yeah, and then go to 3D, and then directly make and move it until it will touch this one. Okay, and now because we don't have anything here, now I will add something. Let me just say go to level 1 again. So we do have 2 rectangles here. So the first one will be okay before 1 meter. So I will go again, angular one, make it until this point, and say okay. I'll go to 3D, select it, and then create form, and then go to one of the elevations just to know the height of it, 300. So let me just make it as 400. first one, and then go to second floor, or go to 3D first, and then go to create, set, select this one, and then go to rectangle. So go now to level 2, and I will just draw lines first, and maybe by begin line, I just put an offset of 150, and then let me just see, let me put 200 for this one. Okay, and now just put another two lines like this one. Now TR, go to 3D, select all of them, and create another form. So I will make it also 400, or maybe 300. It will be okay. Yes, I think so. And now for the voids, I will go to into one of the elevation. Let me just go to level 1 first. So this one is the south one, east, west, and then the north. So I will open the north one. This is the elevation. Now I'm looking like from this side, and I'm looking into my building or my mass. I will go to create. Let me see if I could make it as, okay, pick a plane, this plane, maybe a line, just to draw 100, and then put it inside into maybe, okay, 180, and then 80, and then 270. It's okay, like this. Just delete the first one, go to 3D, select this one, and then create void form, not a form. So I will just go maybe 325. 325. Yep, exactly. So I will just make the same step, create, set, pick a plane, yes, this one, and then create a rectangle. Draw a normal line, maybe, okay, 130. Let me just see it. Okay, I will accept it like this, and then let me just make it as one line from here, and then TR, sorry, okay, delete it, LI, draw a line, and then AL, align it, this one, or this one. Okay. And now LI, or sorry, just DI, just to know the dimension of it, 120, it's okay. And then LI again, just draw something like this. Go to 3D, select my rectangle, and then create a void form. And again, I drag it. Maybe let me just try to drag it into this point. Yep. So it looks amazing, I think. Let me just go and finish my mass, and then go to massing inside, wall, start picking this wall. Sorry, we picked the wrong one. This one, and again that one. So I'm only picking a wall, so now I will pick some roofs. Let me just choose this type. Okay, this one and that one. And now create. Select the roof itself. Go to the material. Just write white. Okay, let me just say cladding one. It's okay for now. And also select the wall itself and make it as a cladding one. So it's okay now, I think. Let me just maybe select all the walls, or maybe select. No, we will make this step after this. I will go to north elevation. I will again place mass and then rectangle one, pick a plane, this one, and make something like this. So just put a dimension from here until here. I think it's okay, 270. Go to 3D and then select it, create it, drag it into inside, bring this surface a bit into outside, maybe, let me see, maybe 400. It's okay for now. And then go to north elevation again, create another one, set, make a plane, yes, set, make a plane, yes, this one, create a rectangle like this. Let me just see the dimension from here to here, 90, from here to here, 130. So let me just maybe select this one and make this one as 500. And now go to 3D, select it, create form, bring it into outside, 630. I think it's okay. Let me just see. It's too much, I think. Okay, 610. Okay, then we just put it even a bit inside, 590. I think it's okay. Finish and go to massing on site, create system or curtain one, select these faces, sorry, cancel, okay, nope. Let me just say finish mass, architecture one, curtain system, this one and that one, and again, these three, create, select it now, and let me see how it will be. Edit type, and it's a fixed number, and again fixed number, okay. Okay, because we changed just the type, so we change all of it. Now it's okay. I will just rechange it again. 1 and 1. And also for this one. So I think it's okay. And it really look amazing. And really like it. So I will just select this one, that one, and again this one, attach into the roof. And again these walls, attach it into this roof. Unjoin element, it's okay. Let me see what is the problem. TR this one with that one. Really, I cannot. It's okay for this one. Why? There is a problem with that one. Let me delete it first. And then go to architectural one, massing on site, wall. Select this one. Yeah, it's okay now. Touch it into this one. It's okay, no need to attach. Maybe we can just bring it like this. And then let us just close these voids. I select the wall, attach to base, this one. So I think it's okay. I think so. Let me go to level 1 and let me see if we did. Maybe we could draw something like component, maybe generic model. Okay. An extrusion like this. say okay, and then go to 3D. Maybe we will go to one of the elevations and copy it, bring it from here and constrain it to this point. Select this one, double click, okay, and only an offset of maybe 15 into outside. Delete the first one and say okay. Go to 3D. Yes, now it's okay. Let me just go and give it a material which is the white one, and also this one. So I think it's okay, and I really like it. And that was everything for today. See you guys.